Welcome to the Year 2 lesson for multiplication. In this lesson, I'm learning to skip count in 2s to 50 and 5s up to 100. Now to help me do that, I'm going to use a hundreds board. So I'm just going to come down here, and here's my hundreds board. So let's start with skip counting in 5s. Skip counting in 5s means I'm going to say every fifth number out loud. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, that's my fifth number, and I can start again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's my next number. So now I'm going to start from the beginning, and I'm going to count in 5s all the way up to 100. You might like to say the numbers out loud with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Can you see anything that all of these numbers have in common? Well, all of these numbers here are tidy numbers, which means the ones digit is a 0. And all of these numbers here, the ones digit is a 5. You might like to rewind this video a little bit and practice counting in 5s up to 100 again, or if you're really good, you might even be able to count backwards from 100, counting back in 5s. Now let's have a look at skip counting in 2s. Skip counting in 2s means I'm going to say every second number out loud. So I'm going to say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I'm going to go all the way up to 50. Now I'm going to start from the beginning again, and you might like to count along with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, and 50. Notice how all of these numbers are in columns here. In this column, all the numbers end in a 2. In this column, they all end in a 4. In this column, they all end in a 6. In this column, they all end in an 8. And in this column, they all end in a 0. Now there's another name for all of these numbers that we've just said out loud. We can call them even numbers. Even numbers are numbers which we can share equally between two people. All of these other numbers that we haven't circled here, all of these columns which I'm putting a blue arrow above, they're all odd numbers. You can find the activity sheet that goes with this lesson in the Teacher Tools Multiplication and Division book from the White Book collection.